Here we have a large document with different font colors and even images. Locate the Select button on the Editing section found on the upper right-hand side of your screen. We have 4 different options. We're going to go through all of them. First, we'll click on Select All. As you can see, what this option does is that selects your whole document from beginning to end. So let's change the font color of our whole document to black. Now all the text has the same black font color. Let's now check out the Select Objects feature. If I try to select my text with this feature on, it won't let me, since it will only select objects, such as these 2 images. To make everything selectable again, we go back to Select and click on Select Objects to disable this function. Let's now place ourselves somewhere in the title of this document to show the 3rd select function. We go to Select and click Select Text with similar formatting. As you can see, the title has been highlighted. But as we scroll down, we see that all the text with the same formatting has been selected for us as well. This is a very practical feature if, for example, you wanted to put a special theme font, size, or color to all of the subheadings in order for all of them to be the same, with just that one step. And lastly, the Selection pane feature shows you a list with the image files that are in your document. When you click in a different page, the list shows you the objects in it. Now that we have the list of our images handy, we can even rename them by double-clicking in one of them and give it a new name. Please subscribe to our channel and give a like to this video. So now you know the 4 practical select features of Word. The Select All option selects all the document, including text and images. Select Objects will only select the images found in your document. Select Text with similar formatting will select all the similar formats found for you. Select Pane will show all the objects in the document, such as images, pictures, and shapes.